This is brought to you by Bus 117 Productions. What's up, passengers? Welcome back to Bus 117 Productions. It's me, your host, Bus 117. Today, we're gonna play a game, but not just any game. It's a game that Lightning McQueen and Mater like to play at night when the people are long asleep. And it's a game called Tractor Tipping. And how it works is you sneak into the fields at night. And then you have to watch out for Frank the Combine. And while you're doing that, just sneak up in front of a tractor and then honk your horn. And then the tractor will tip over. Isn't that sounds fun? Because I know it sounds fun. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Now, I am gonna bring a special guest to play with me. And it's someone who's really happy to see all the buses. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring out the world's positive bus, Bus 73. Hi everybody, it's me, Bus 73, the world's positive bus. I am also the manufacturer of Positivity Land. I'm so excited to be a special guest in Bus 117 Productions. Yeah, I am very happy to have you here. You're being positive as usual. Of course I am. I'm always positive. Not exactly, but I am positive. Anyways, you said something about a game earlier while I was backstage. Yeah, we're gonna play a game today, 73. Oh, really? What game are we gonna play? We're gonna go tractor tipping. Okay, wait. We're gonna go tractor tipping like in Disney movie Cars? Yes. Well, I really like Lightning McQueen though. He was so cool. I like the race car. He reminds me of me being in the positive games, which is that one race that I had when I became the world positive bus. Yeah, I know, but, you know, I thought Lightning McQueen was scared. I thought he was scared of the tractors. No, he was scared of Frank. You know, the combine harvester? Yeah, he ran away from Frank. Because Frank is based off a bull. And bulls do not like red. And Lightning McQueen is a red race car. Yes, and we are huge yellow school buses. But anyways, when are we gonna play tractor tipping? We're gonna do it at night. Same thing like when Mater and McQueen did. They did it at night. We're gonna do the same thing. When everyone is asleep. Okay then. Well, 50 did allow us to do this because we are kind of professionals. Alright, now let's just wait until, let's wait until midnight. Alright. Anyways, we can close the curtains now. We'll be right back. 12 o'clock midnight. Okay, now it's midnight and we are out in some type of field. And every tractor is sleeping. So that will give us the perfect time for us to play tractor tipping. I agree, but we gotta be quiet because Frank is around and we don't want to make him angry because we can't let Frank catch us. Alright. And just remember, just sneak up in front of a tractor and then honk your horn. And, hey 73, what is it? Who do you want to go first, me or you? Maybe you can. 117. You know what, since you're the special guest I'll let you go first. Okay. Oh gosh, that was funny. It's like the tractor didn't know what he was doing and then he just tipped over. Yeah, I know. Alright, whose turn is it? Bus 117 is your turn. Oh, okay. It's funny how they tip over like that. Now, I was wondering if we can honk both of our horns together. Yeah, I wonder what would happen. I'm guessing it would tip all of them, but let's see what happens. Alright. Alright. It's time for the moment of truth. Can we honk both of our horns together to wake up the tractors? We're gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. That was the most funniest thing we've ever saw. Yeah, I agree. It just tipped all of them and it freaked them out in one shot. Just one shot and then boom, they tipped over. Alright, we should do that again sometime. Wait a minute, 117, did you hear that? Yeah, I heard it too. Wait a minute. I think you know who it is. Oh no, it's Frank! We gotta get out of here! We're gonna have to drive faster than that because, you know, Frank is here. We gotta run! Yeah, we're gonna have to run. Come and get us, Combine Harvester. Okay, I think we lost him. Maybe not. We gotta get out of here quickly before Frank gets us. Wait a minute, I see an exit. Straight ahead. Phew, that was a close call. Yes, I agree with you, 117. And 5 more seconds, if we were still behind that fence, we would have been goners. But luckily, Frank is not able to fit through the fence because he's too big to break through, considering the fact that he is a combine harvester. Yeah, I know. But let's just go back home. Alright. Goodbye, Frank. Finally, we're back home in the bus factory. Yeah, and we're also surrounded by the security of our claustrophobic environment. I agree. At least we didn't get caught by Frank, because if it hadn't been for that fence, we would have been shredded by now, and that fence was our only way out. At least we were able to get there before Frank did. Yeah, well, the good thing about it is that looks like the game's over. I know. Well, let's just end this episode and let's just go to sleep, because I'm getting tired. Yeah, me too. Well, I guess that's it for this show. I guess that's it for this episode. And we'll see you next time. We're gonna go to sleep now because we're tired. And we need to go back to our sheds. to have some rest. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.